So how do I get the centre of a circle? I need that written as a square. And the quickest way to do it is, I know I'm using x's. If I halve that 6, I get a plus 3. But what have I done to the equation when I do a plus 3 there? This is a 3 squared. So I've got an extra 9 here, which means I've got an extra 9 there. And if I put an extra 9 left hand side, I've got to put an extra 9 on the right hand side. So this one's going to be talking about a squared as well. And instead of talking about x's, we're talking about the y's. What's the shortcut method? Half that is plus 1. So what have I done to this now? I've added an extra 1 squared. So I've added 1 squared, that's an extra 1. So I've added an extra 1 there, I add an extra 1 there, and I've got 20. And remember the centre of the opposites. So the opposite, because it's an inside, everything about insides, the 3 becomes a negative 3, and the 1 becomes a negative 1. And don't put the radius as 20. What's the radius? Joshy? It's not a 20, it's a? Good boy. So, without too much thinking about it, I need some x's with a square, I need some y's with a square, and don't forget that we need that plus there still. So that plus is still there the whole time. So what's half of minus 4? Minus 2. So what have I got extra now? I've got a minus 2 squared, which is an extra 4. So if I've got an extra 4 on the left, I need an extra 4 on the right. What I do with the minus 10, I halve it, so that's a minus 5. Oops, I wrote minus 5y. So minus 5. So what have I got now? I've got an extra 5 squared, or it's extra minus 5 squared. That's an extra 25. So I need an extra 25 on the right, and I don't want that 3 on the left, so I need to go plus 3, and I'm left with 29, 32. Now I've got a centre. Remember, insides do the opposite, so the minus 2 is a 2, and minus 5 is a 5, and the radius is not 32, it is square root of 32. So that's completing the squares, without really talking about completing the squares.